It is to get up to 10,000 emails about your For Life business out on a daily basis. All I do is I come to my computer. You're looking at my computer screen right now. I go up onto the internet, and I'm going to go right up here, and I'm going to log into my equalizer. That's the system that we're talking about here, is what we call it, to my control panel. I'm going to scroll down to decide which splash page that I'm going to use. Each one of these is a different website I can promote on For Life and our system, on Rio Vita, on anti-aging, weight loss, energy go sticks. You can click any of these open and take a peek at them. Okay? And let's say I decide to today to go ahead and use let's say number 1 splash page, introducing myself in the For Life opportunity. You just go to the email that's right below the page you're going to promote, click it open. There's an email already prepared. You can pick the subject line and the email itself, and all we're going to do is copy that. And so this the easiest way is to put your cursor right at the beginning, hold the left mouse button down, just drag it all the way down to the bottom, go up here into edit, hit copy, go up to your back button here in the top, click back to your panel, go down to the box, the first one here that says push button emailer, click on it. It'll bring up your login page. You log in. There's the emailer that's going to do all the work for you. It's not in your computer. None of this is. It's all hosted on the internet. Okay, all taken care of for you. Come right to the big box on the right side. Click your left mouse button. Put the cursor in there. Go up to edit here and hit paste. You just put your email that you just picked up on that other page and put it right here. You need to finish the link identifying yourself and the page you're promoting, which we happen to be doing number 1. Here's a scroll bar on the right. Scroll up to the top, and these are basically all the subject lines, and I'm going to erase the ones I don't want. Just put your cursor right at the beginning or the end of what you're going to remove. Hold your left mouse button down, drag it down, and just slide it across. Let's take those out. All you have to do then is just hit your back button on your keyboard and just erase it. Okay. This is the subject line, and this was telling us it was email number 1. We don't need that, so we'll hold that left mouse button down, hit the back button here on our keyboard and erase that. This is the subject line. Same thing, hold the left mouse button down, turn it the dark color like this, let it go, then put your cursor back in the beginning, hold your left mouse button down and just slide it right up and let the mouse button go. You just move that up in the subject line, make our email look good. Let's put the cursor in the beginning and hit the back button again on your keyboard, and it'll move everything to the top of the email. Put your name or whatever you want them to see first in the email ahead of the subject line to identify yourself. I like to use our group name, Eye Opener Network. That's our whole team, all of us that are involved here, and gets that kind of name out and people familiar with us. That side is done. Go over to the left side, this browse button, click it. It's going to open up a folder on your desktop where all your leads will be stored that come along with this system. Let's just click once on number 1. We're going to now put out 5,000 emails. Okay? Once you've just clicked on that, come to open, click open. We don't have any, there was just emails that you get, so we don't have any titles, so all you do is come down and click on the little circle without titles and hit this bar that says load addresses. Only takes a couple seconds. You see all those emails, see it's showing down here, 5,001 of them are now loaded, ready to go. That's all there is to set up the system. Now all you do is right here, click send. That's it. You'll notice that you can monitor this. You want to leave this system going, you can go ahead up here and minimize and out of the way and use your computer, pull it back up, back here and seeing how much has been done. And see the scroll bar here? Just keep pulling it down to the bottom, and over here on the left you'll see the emails going out. One at a time till they're finished. You can just keep pulling that down and watching it complete. That's all there is to it. That's all the time it takes. That's simple. That's 5,000 if you did that 5 days a week. Okay? You're talking about 100,000 emails, and we'll show you how to double that up, get clear up, in fact, triple it to 300,000 with the push of a button, no more than a couple minutes a day. The equalizer. Talk to the person that turned you on to this.